What's going on? Gamer Boy 10 here, and today I'm at WSU State right now. Let's see, with my dad at the pond, and they're blocking it off for a football game coming up. And let's see, there is guys, is it a wren? I'm going over them. What's the name of the bird? A wren? A heron.
Heron.
Oh. Let's see if I can get you. I'm not sure. Probably. Probably. And hold on. So I think I got the bird. Naturally, I'm gonna go inside. Alright. Gamer Boy 10 is gonna get exhausted out here. You can see my shadow. What's up? That will be farther. I don't get eaten by a bird. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's going around so you can try to see it. My dad over there. Think I got it? Yeah, you can see his head right there. So yeah, like right there. Oops. Ah, my video. Oops. Come on. Yeah. Right. So guys, that's what I wanted to show you, because for me, I'm going to edit at the house. Is it over there? Yeah. So I'm going to edit it at the house and make sure I can get it both. So like, subscribe, comment down below what you want more of. Until next time, bye! And dad mode. Last part for Gamer Boy 10, but if you didn't see it fully, here's what it looks like. And eating a tadpole. Dad, did he just eat a tadpole or a fish? Alright, so guys, that is the very ending of the video, so like, subscribe, and bye everybody. Comment down below as well. Bye.